So if you want to activate your trip.com eSIM, once you have already purchased the eSIM from trip.com, what you're going to do to activate it is you just have to simply download the profile. So it's actually simple. So on your phone, go to the settings on your phone. So depending on your phone, go to your network settings. So for Android, it's mostly under network, and then from there you will see there is like SIM and mobile network. Similarly, if you're using iPhone, go to your iPhone mobile network settings. From there, what we're going to do is click on this download new SIM option. So tap on the download new SIM option. So now here, then from here select the eSIM option, because we're going to download an eSIM. We're going to set up eSIM. So click on eSIM. So once you click on eSIM, so this is going to now take you to the screen here where you're going to enter the details of your eSIM. So it's just checking the basic information here. So now, okay, so what we're going to do here is you just simply have to scan the QR code from the operator, in this case the trip.com's eSIM. So the eSIM that you have purchased, all you have to do is you just have to scan the QR code from trip.com's eSIM. So if you don't have the QR code, you can just do it, enter the activation code, click on enter activation code. You would have either received an activation code or a QR code. So either way works. So just plug that in. Okay, plug in those code and then hit on next. And then once you hit on next, just follow a few on-screen prompt again, and that's it. Your phone will automatically download the profile and activate the SIM. So you don't really have to do much on this. As long as you have the activation code or QR code ready, just scan it and follow a few on-screen prompts. That's it. Your phone will automatically download and activate the eSIM for you.